Ants, small, silent, often unnoticed, but beneath our feet exists one of the most advanced civilizations on Earth. This is not a movie. This is Earth. And these are its true rulers. There are over 14,000 known ant species. They live on every continent except Antarctica. And if you combined all the ants on Earth together, they would weigh more than all humans combined. A single ant is impressive. But a colony? Genius. They build underground megacities with nurseries, food storage, highways, ventilation systems, even waste disposal zones. Every ant has a job. Workers build, clean, gather food, and raise young. Soldiers defend the colony. Drones exist for one purpose, mating. And the queen, the mother of them all. The queen can live up to 30 years. A worker? Only 3 years. But in her lifetime, the queen may lay millions of eggs. She never hunts, never builds. Her empire builds itself around her. Ants are farmers, hunters, engineers, and sometimes warriors. Some ants carry 50 times their own body weight. Others farm fungus, milk aphids like cattle, or organize coordinated raids to capture food. Leafcutter ants don't eat leaves. They use them to grow fungus. The fungus feeds the colony. It's agriculture older than human civilization. They don't talk, they signal. Ants communicate using pheromones, chemical messages that act like invisible text messages on the ground. Need food? They mark a trail. Danger? They release an alarm scent. Lost? They follow the colony's chemical network like GPS. And yes, ants go to war. Some species invade other colonies, steal their larvae, and raise them as workers. Others clash in massive battles over territory. To us, it's chaos. To them, strategy. Ants aerate the soil, spread seeds, recycle nutrients, and control pest populations. Without ants, ecosystems collapse. They are tiny, but the world depends on them. Some ants can clone themselves. Bullet ants have one of the most painful stings in the world. Army ants create bridges using their own bodies. Fire ants can form floating rafts to survive floods. So next time you see an ant on the ground, remember, you're not looking at an insect. You're looking at a citizen of a kingdom older, larger, and smarter than most people realize. A world within a world. The Ant Empire. Like and subscribe if you want more stories about Earth's hidden civilizations.